Afternoon, traders. I'm Dan Pavlonis, Senior Market Strategist here at RJO Futures, here to talk about the currencies. And what we've seen today is we're starting to see the equity markets start to leak. They look weaker and weaker as time goes on. We've already retraced about 40% of the rally off of the Greek news a couple of weeks back. And I think what we're seeing is anticipation of stronger U.S. data. Jobless claims this morning there's a higher possibility that the Fed raises rates. And with the Fed raising rates, it could hit some complications because now we got a weakening junk bond market. The commodity sector is weakening. We're seeing the metal prices sell off. We're also seeing energy prices sell off. And how does that play into the overall picture of the Fed raising rates? Are they going to be able to raise rates? If they do raise rates, are they doing it not so much in anticipation of the economy is doing so great, but maybe more so that they need to do that because the scare is more so that we have a stronger scare of inflation or possibly hyperinflation because we've printed up so much money to buy bond purchases and Operation Twist, so on and so forth, that we need to start moving this ship now because it takes so long to turn, and we want to be able to get ahead of the curve. If that's the case, then I think it's highly unlikely whether the stock market sells off a little bit. We see a little bit of correction across the markets. I could still see Yellen possibly raising rates as early as September. So it's kind of the outlook over here. Across the sea over in the Eurozone, we're seeing Greece still part of the Eurozone, but still has many different variables that are not yet worked out to stay complete in the Eurozone. We're also seeing the ECB put together a $300 billion package to boost the economy over there, give it a little lift. How is that going to play out over the next several months? So it's going to be pretty interesting. If you want to talk a little bit more about the direction of the markets, feel free to give me a call. Dan Pavlonis, Senior Market Strategist. It may not be suitable for all investors.